Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. You have been asking me which Turkish tea brand I use, which one to choose. So I'm here in a market, like biggest market around where I live. And we're gonna take a closer look to tea brands and the types. So it's a new kind of video for me will be. So make sure you include your comments in the end. And if you have any questions, so let's get started. So we have a Çaykur brand, which is the most known one. And from Çaykur we have Filiz, which is the early baby leaves. And any brands have actually this type, the Filiz type. And when you see Filiz, it means that they are the baby leaves, you see? They are usually good ones. And this is Tiryaki is more like a brisk tea than Rize Turist Chai. Some people might think differently. This one is more sweeter taste, has more sweeter taste. And this one brisk. This is like in the middle, I can say. But you can get smaller ones and try which one is best for you. They all coming from Black Sea region of Turkey. Here's another one, Altınbaş Classic. And okay, as you can see, it's already explaining. It says harvested exclusively from the valuable uppermost tea leaves. Filiz is the same. Maybe they have the uppermost and other leaf types. So this one is that one. I never tried that one. So we have Karali brand. I have tried this one too. It is nice. Beta tea I did try it, but I prefer Çaykur still. And then we have Doğuş Filiz Chai. Again, Filiz Doğuş type. I mean Doğuş brand. Different types. These are all like black tea leaves. You can try which one is best for your taste. But when I check the Doğuş Filiz, it says like enfes lezzet, beautiful taste. Again, this one Tiryaki has içimi güzel, like it's nice to drink, it says. But I think it doesn't have like major differences for me. And here we have Gourmet Chai. Probably it has also a little bit nicer tea leaves. And then we have also Lipton tea. I like Earl Grey. And we have that in other brands too. It says like bergamot aromalı. It means Earl Grey. And what else? We have Doğadan brand too. It is also nice, but it's been a long time I haven't tried. This is organic from Çaykur. My father likes to have this tea. He really likes it. It's a nice tea too. I haven't tried Mesopotamia. Again from Çaykur. Let's see what it says. It looks different. I hope you can see. Okay, it says make sure you brew it with drinking tea. I have already shared how you can make it. I want to get just the information for what's the difference. It says only black tea, but let's see, hold on. It doesn't say anything actually. Probably from another place. I don't know. It doesn't say anything. And it's hard to try all of them, right? You know. So which one is best? I'm gonna say it in a moment. For me, this is tomurcuk we call, like all brands has it. And this means when you see tomurcuk, it means Earl Grey tea leaves from any brand. And you can just mix it with regular black tea and drink it like that. Like for example, like 3 tablespoons tea leaves, I would add 1 tablespoon Earl Grey tea for an extra taste. And we have Ceylon tea. This is not Turkish. It is more like brisk again, strong tea. Give lots of color right away. It's easier to brew it. So which one is best, if you ask me, is Filiz chai. Okay, Filiz, and also the Tiryaki brand. Tiryaki brand over here. We like these two the most. Sometimes we buy Doğuş also. It's here. They have a lot. Here, okay. I decided to try one of it for you that I haven't tried before. So I choose this one. Çay çiçeği, tea flower, it means in English. Maybe this one another time. The uppermost tea leaves I'm curious about, but let's try this one this time. Okay, my friends, here we are, next in the morning. This one I bought yesterday night, and this one I already had at home. So I wanted to try these two both together. Let's see how it's gonna taste like and the colors will be. So I'm excited. This is the first time for me to try something like this, both them, to brew them together at the same time. So my water is boiling. I'm gonna add the same amount of tea to each of my teapot, double pot here. I already shared how to make Turkish tea. You can get the details from there too. This is really like more sweeter, has more sweeter smell. Let me try this one too. This smells good too. This one is a little bit more denser, has more denser smell, more intense actually. What I'm gonna do is to scale the same amount. Usually I do it with tablespoon. Here is 1 heaped tablespoon and 2 heaped tablespoon. So it is still, let me put it in another smaller scale. This is half cup. Probably it will fit in this one. Okay, it is more than 1/4 cup. Okay, here is the 1/3 of a cup. Good. Finally we got the scale. Let's fill it all the way so it's going to be the same amount, 1/3 of a cup, and 2 heaped tablespoons, okay? So adding here, this will be Tiryaki brand, so I'm gonna put it here. And this one will be Çay çiçeği. Sorry, I said brand, it's a type, not brand. And here is our Çay çiçeği, same amount, 1/3 of a cup here. So how I'm gonna add the water? Just pour it. I'm gonna turn off the heat now. It's already boiling. I just want them to get the degree a little bit lower than 100 degrees, so it's not gonna burn. Here is half cup. 3.5 cups I'm gonna add. Here we are. I'm gonna add more water to the second pot, bigger pot here later, and do the same thing to here too. Now I'm going to set my timer to 20 minutes and it will be done. It was hot. It is still hot because this was opened already, sorry. So I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes about, or 25, because I'm gonna prepare the breakfast. We will taste and test our teas. See you. Okay, my friends, my breakfast is done. It took 30 minutes. I'm eager to try my teas now, so let's pour it. First, the teriyaki type here. I have to add same amount to both glasses. Wow, the color looks nice. Pour this one too to see it first. Okay, here is the next one, and this is çay çiçeği. This looks also very dark, beautiful color. I think it looks same, right? Let me add a little bit more. See, yes. So as for the colors, çay çiçeği, the tea flower looks a bit darker than teriyaki. Yeah, let me show you closer and try it then. Colors both are okay, just a little bit lighter this one, but the taste is important, of course. Okay, let's try. Çay çiçeği, teriyaki. Okay. Çay çiçeği first. Not too sweet compared to its name. Little bit brisk, but it is tasty. Let's try teriyaki. It's hard to compare, really. As I said, in the market, the teriyaki is little more brisky, in the brisk side, if I'm saying it correctly, sorry. But a bit more denser. We say buruk. Okay, I'm gonna write down. This one is a little bit more sweeter. Other than that, there is not much difference, I can say. I liked çay çiçeği too, actually. I'm gonna now get my family to the table and get their opinion too first, and tell you in the end, okay? So see you soon. Just let us eat a little bit first. Okay, my friends, we tried the both teas, so my family together, and we didn't see any much differences between them. And what we decided, that we still prefer Filiz type. I hope you enjoyed this video as I did. It was nice to compare different types, different brands. So we might continue if you like. Please share your comments down below. Which else would you like to see in this series if I'm gonna be able to continue to do it? And make sure you check the links down below again for how to make Turkish tea, how to prepare breakfast and so on. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Bye for now.